Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and supporting this channel. The question is again from a Irish Maths Olympiad. Let P, Q, R be the distinct real numbers that satisfy the equation Q equals to P times of 4 minus P, R equals to Q times of 4 minus Q, and P equals to R times of 4 minus R. Find the all possible values of P plus Q plus R. So here all possible values means we have to find the maximum value of P plus Q plus R. So before solving, we may attempt this question in different approach. What's it? Let me write this first equation is given as Q equals to P times 4 minus P. From this, I am getting the ratio of Q over P. This is equals to 4 minus P. And from the second equation, I'll get from equation 2, R over Q equals to 4 minus Q. And from equation 3, P over R equals to 4 minus R. Now it is given that P, Q, R are distinct real numbers. So I'll write, I can apply arithmetic mean and geometric mean relation for Q over P, R over P, Q and P over R, where arithmetic mean is greater than equals to geometric mean. So I can write Q over P plus R over Q plus Q, P over R is greater than equals to 3 times of, because arithmetic mean is divided by 3, cube root of Q over P into R over Q into P over R. So certainly this will be your 1. So Q over P plus R over Q plus P over R is greater than equals to 3. Now what is Q over P? Again I'll replace this 2 with this 3. So I'll get 4 minus R plus 4 minus P plus 4 minus Q is greater than equals to 3. So 12 minus P plus Q plus R is greater than equals to 3. So P plus Q plus R is less than equals to 9. So this is the all possible values. So sum of P, Q, R is less than 9 equals to 9. Maximum value of is 9. Thank you for watching.